There it is, guys. Quality burger since 1969, Wendy's. Anyway, here we are. We're out here on the main drag in Santos Street, the highway part. And they got these places I've been wanting to look at anyway. But they're on the other side of the street. But we get a good view of them from here anyway. You got Wilter Tile Center way down there. It's the Mega Saver. That's where you go for your tiles, they say. This is on the way to MacArthur, past the inlets, past the mall, and going this way it goes to MacArthur, and going this way goes back to the mall. You see there. You got the Medallion Foam home store. And next here you got Stoneworks. There's where you buy your stone at. Stone tile for out exterior. And you got Fortress is the sealer. And you got Metal Roofs right next to it. And Rising Sun Wood Products is the next place down. And the Tile Express shop. And then you got Wilcon Depot. Of course, the Mega Saver. You got the Tile Depot way on down there. So this is like I'm centered in all the building supplies where you would go look for building supplies. Be in this area. Like that way, like I said, is the inlets. This way, you're going towards MacArthur Highway, or just keep going straight, go over the bridges and stuff, you'll go to Longapo. And that's a long way around anyway. Don't get on the inlets, you go this way to Longapo and Civic Bay. That's the way to do that. But yeah, right down through here, almost every shop down through here has got something to do with building supplies, or like roofing, or I love those tiles they put on the outside that are rock tiles. That's a good looking look. You can put almost anything you want to on it. Anyway, yeah, so we're right here at Wendy's and the Total gas station. And we'll add to the video as we go. And the Green City Medical Center. So if you see a Wendy's, Total, and you're past the inlets, you're right across the street from all those good places to go and buy building materials. There's a few on this side, but there's not many. Now let's walk back this way. So the Wendy's inside. We walk in Wendy's. It's just like back home. Got the little Wendy up there with her ponytails and all that good stuff. There's the Green City Medical Center. A lot of people go there. I mean, it's jam-packed. As a matter of fact, my father-in-law's in there right now. That's why I'm on this part of town. It's not time to build my house yet, but I was gonna give you an idea of where some of the places I may be able to be getting stuff. You never know. We'll walk in here and I'll give you a shot at Wendy's. It's really clean. This is in San Fernando, the Wendy's in San Fernando. Quality burger since 1969 Wendy's. And they've got everything, almost everything that we have at the other. Oh, y'all are busy already. So yeah, their menus got everything we got back in the States. Really nice. All right, guys, I'll get back with you. But when the other guy's here, he knows English real good, so he'll help me out to talk to everybody. Is this the garage right here? Or this part's the garage? Or the front porch? Oh, you don't know what I'm saying. Okay, yeah, look, guys. This is what it's gonna look like. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's a CAD, right? CAD? Yeah. So it'll be over here. The garage should be over this area. And then the front foyer's here. Yeah, this is very nice. Oh, and they have upstairs over the garage too, where they're gonna have a deck. Yeah.
Upstairs over there.
Yeah, nice. That's nice. Here, look at the kitchen and the.
Interior are the same.
All right, that's nice. It's very nice. Thanks. Thank you. That gives us some perspective of it. I just give a real close up where you guys can take a picture of it, and then you'll know if it looks the same whenever we get done. It'll be kind of like that, but it won't be everything. Sometimes people have changes in plans. All well planned things go awry. You go chaotic sometimes. How you doing?
Hi, my friend. I'm fine.
So you tell me, the septic tank's in the back.
Yes?
Is it under the house or is it going to be off?
No, it's outside the house.
Okay. All right. And it'll be on the,
No.
right?
At the back.
Yeah, very back. Okay, and then, how many square meters is the house itself, you know?
It's about 280 square meter.
It's a big house.
Big house.
So, you're the foreman, right?
Yeah.
You charge everything, right?
Yes.
Pretty soon you'll have some more concrete and gravel and everything coming in, won't you?
We will use about 15 cubic of gravel and about 50 cubic of sand.
Okay.
That will include the plastering materials.
Yeah, yeah. So these guys are getting done up here almost.
Almost.
They got some tile to do and some painting. A few doors to hang. I walked inside and did a video in there. But this is going to be bigger.
It's almost double.
Almost double. And that's a pretty good size house, but that's a lot of house right there now. So they're going to have a garden over in the back?
No, this right side.
Yeah.
Allocated a space of about 15 square meters of garden.
Okay, so 15 square meters, a lot.
It's a lot.
So they can grow anything there. You know, bananas or
No.
too much?
It's
Not
for
enough?
ornamental.
Ornamental, okay. Okay. It'll be nice to sit out there then in the evenings when it's cooler.
Yes.
And then the top there, you're going to have a roof deck, right?
A roof deck.
Over the garage.
It's for me, I'm gonna call it a viewing deck.
Viewing deck is good because you can probably see from up there Mount Riot.
Yes.
Probably.
Because the stairs is outside.
Yeah. So that's nice. I like that. I like having, you know, some place to go outside and have a drink and look out the view.
Are you enjoying yourself here in the Philippines?
Oh yeah, I always do. Anywhere I go.
Do you have any plans of returning back home?
Any what? Plans?
How often?
Oh yeah.